Yo, what's up, trader friends? Welcome to the results of the OptimizeFX robot challenge, or $200 robot challenge really, where I put 10 robots against each other and we now have a result for 1 month. And the results have been really interesting actually. So if you've been following the Instagram channel OptimizeFX, instagram.com/OptimizeFX of course, you would have seen me putting up some posts on this challenge and the robots and how they've been going over the past couple of weeks. But yeah, this is the video that will end the challenge essentially, and I'll show you the charts and some graphs and all that kind of stuff of all the bots. Some went really well, some were quite disappointing, and some I expected not to go so well. So we'll start from this. So what we have in front of us is the AF Global Expert Unlimited. It was trading Euro USD H1 time frame, and it blew the account. I believe it blew the account on the 3rd week or maybe the 4th week. Yeah, one of those two. Yeah, unfortunately $200 may not have been enough for this bot to handle. I'm not sure if you meant to have it on multiple currencies. I only have it on one. So if it had multiple, maybe it might have been able to trade out of it, like the other ones could have went well and it could have traded out of it, but I'm not sure. But I'm going to add it to the next challenge, which is going to start soon. I'm going to start all the robots with $1,000, and I'm going to see if I can get some optimized settings or create some settings for the robots. If some go well, I might even have those settings available on the website when I build it. It is currently under construction at the moment, so I'll keep you posted on that. However, yeah, this is the Global Expert. Went terrible. Well, yeah, terrible with $200. And now we have Armageddon. Went really well. I'm quite surprised on how it's going. Unfortunately, it is not going too well right now. Currently in a hell of a lot of drawdown. It's only getting worse. Euro USD is just tanking, and it's not able to trade out of it, unfortunately. So it may last another week, maybe. But we'll see. But yeah, balance of $432, and it's negative 351. This one, I think, won the competition, but we'll see. We'll see. We'll have a look at some other ones. Yeah, you let me know what you think. Did this one win, or did another one win that I'll show you soon? So yeah, so that's how it went. This is the Samurai. This is one that you can get for free online. This one replaced another robot that wasn't doing too well, and it now has a balance of $354 in maybe a couple of weeks. So that's really interesting. It's going really well. Not sure how, but so yeah, I started it on $200 as well. So the other one blew the account, and I started it on $200. So yeah, really interesting, that one. Now we have the BS trend. Wow, I had my hopes up on this one. It was going really well at the start, and then currency tanked and I just couldn't get out of it. So yeah, unfortunately it blew the account, $3.25. Next we have Forex Kingle. This is one that replaced another robot that didn't go so well. Might have been Skynet or something like that. Didn't do anything. It is going insanely well for the past. It's only been going for 2 weeks as well, or not even that. Yeah, $376. It started on 200, so it's going really well. Next one. And by the way, that's not with default settings. I've optimized that. So now this is one that was really interesting. It's Gold Robot. It trades on the M1 time frame. It actually blew the account in the first week, and thought, well, I'll give it another crack because it showed really good promise. It just had this moment where gold tanked. I think it was actually the coronavirus that made it tank. There was a big bit of news or something like that, and it just didn't have enough equity to get out of the trades it was in. I didn't want to intervene, but generally, if that happens, if it was my own robot, and this is not trading advice by any means, if it's starting to go into at least 30% drawdown, you close all the trades, and then you let it start again. So, I didn't want to intervene, so I let it blow the account, and I put another $200 in because I thought, well, it went really well, and it's really surprised me. It's as you can see, it's now got over $1,000 in the account from 200, and it's done that in like 2 weeks. No, maybe 3 weeks. 3 weeks, and a few days because it's not Monday anymore. But yeah, awesome robot. Yeah, can't stress that enough. It's really cool. So I'm actually going to use this on a live account and see how I go. So we'll see what happens. But with more than $200. Next we have TSR. Unfortunately, it couldn't trade out of this downtrend. It trades the H4 time frame. Euro USD is still tanking, so I don't know what would have happened with the $1,000, but I'll give it another crack and we'll see what happens in the next challenge. Robotron, really disappointing. I thought actually it would have gone a lot better than this. It could be the settings that I have, but it's still got equity. It didn't blow the account, but it hasn't made a profit either. It's actually lost $20. It did actually make a little bit. It got up to like maybe $220 or $230, and now it's not going so well. But it hasn't blown the account, so that's really interesting. So yeah, we'll have a look. I don't know if I've got the right settings for this, so I'm not sure if I'm running default. I can't remember, but we'll see. Next we have Winner Life Changer. This is another one that replaced a robot that didn't go so well. It tanked the account. You put it on whatever time frame, and actually no, you put it on the 30-minute time frame on any currency, and it actually trades multiple currencies, which is why the market currencies is up on the left hand side there. Yeah, $200 is not enough for this robot. It tanked the account, unfortunately. And the last one we have is Blessing, and it was running 2 pairs, and it didn't go so well. It hit. I think it has a stop loss, and it hit the stop loss. One of the pairs hit the stop loss, and then I had to restart it because once it does that, it stops trading with that one. So and then it happened again. So don't know if I'll use this one in the challenge, but we'll see what. There we go. So out of all those, which one do you think won the challenge? And I think it's Armageddon, because I can't include the gold robot because it blew the account in the first week, so it's actually not in the challenge anymore. So yeah, I would say this bad boy here is the one that won the $200 challenge, even though it's in a lot of drawdown on Monday. Actually on Friday, when the challenge officially stopped, it wasn't in this much drawdown. It was maybe $200. So look at that, it's going down. But anyway, I think Armageddon won. But what do you guys think? Or would you like these robots, these new ones, to go for a little bit longer, and we'll see what happens. Maybe I'll do that, maybe not. Or I might just start the new robots on a $1,000 challenge. We'll see who wins. out of all them. But anyway, let's go to the reports. So I've pulled up the reports for each of these robots, and we'll go through each of the reports, and then after that, if you've got any suggestions or anything for the new challenge, or if you'd like to see anything else, let me know. But this first one here is AF Global. As you can see, it was making a few profits and then it went down. So I don't know why. Hello cat. I don't know why it didn't start at 200, because it did. But yeah, it started at $200 and then it tanked. Next we have Armageddon. The balance is going up, which is what you want to see in a robot. You don't want it to see it going down, of course. So great line. It's it's going up. That's what we want. Stop biting me. Cat's biting me. But yeah, Armageddon's looking pretty promising. I enjoy looking at it trade as well. It's pretty good. We'll go to the next one. This is the Samurai. There wasn't much data on this because it was, I think I started a new account, or this is starting from the $200, so it's going pretty good. But too early to tell, of course. BS Trend, it was making profits. It got up to 270 and then it tanked, so it made $70 in the month. Yep, there's all those figures. Forex Kingle, so you can see where the original robot blew the account, and then I put Kingle on, so you can see it started at a little bit over 200, and then now it's at 372, which is pretty cool. Next we have the gold robot, so you can see where it blew the account, and then I put another 200 in, and it's just powered on ever since then. So amazing robot, it's going awesome. Can't wait to use it live. We'll see what happens. TSR was making steady gains, and then it blew the account, unfortunately. But yes, I have to look into the settings for that. Robotron, as you can see, probably not the best graph to look at. It did get up to 250, and then it's not going so well, so unfortunately not so good, but it still has $180 in equity. It didn't blow the account, just remember that. So that's not a bad thing. Winner Life Changer got up to 250 and then it blew the account, but this was only over a period of like maybe a week or two, so not too bad. Promising robot, but probably needs more equity. And the Blessing 3 we are ending this video on, and as you can see, it went into drawdown, closed those trades, made a little bit back, and then went into drawdown, blew the account. So unfortunately Blessing didn't make the cut. But yeah, there you have it. That are all the robots. I'll leave it on Armageddon because I believe this is a winner. But what do you think? Put your comments below. Smash that like button if you like the challenge. If you want to see more challenges, hit me up. If you've got any robot suggestions that you would like me to test in the next challenge, apart from some of the ones here, yep, let me know. Put a comment below. It'd be awesome to hear from everyone that's interested in robots. I've only been looking at these for a few months, but I have been manually trading for around 6 months now. I do manually trade. I enjoy robots because I'm a programmer, I'm a software developer, and I enjoy coding. So I eventually am going to build a robot of my own. I'm just looking at seeing what's out there and seeing what strategies are working, and yeah. But hopefully to have my own out probably by the end of the year after some testing, and we'll see what happens. But thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, smash that thumbs up, and in the next challenge I will be starting each robot from 1,000. The broker will probably be IC markets, the spread will be raw spread, and the leverage I'll probably set at 1 to 500 for the broker, and I'll be using optimized sets for each robot. So I'm actually going through and testing each robot now and trying to get the best settings that I can for this next challenge. Those set files I may have available for purchase. If you're interested, let me know. Still currently building the Optimized FX website. Very busy at the moment, so it may not be out for a few more months, but I'll have all the challenges and all the details in there. And the next challenge, I'll have probably a weekly video as well on the results of each week for each robot. So yeah, you'll be seeing more of Optimized FX. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks, bye.